And the thing is that I commend the women and the men who do all this work that you see here. I commend them. I commend Lara, Mrs. Lewis, Mrs. Martinez, and the men who do the job, Biggie, who else is there? Vincent, and the rest of those guys. And I thanks to the resorts that help make it possible that they donate whatever they can do for us as a people. And let us not forget that this is not the only thing that we can do for ourselves. See, if all of us was come together, just like how these people come together and do this project, what else would have been, what is it that we cannot do? We can work together as a people. We can have a Garifuna agenda, and we will have a Hopkins agenda. That will be our purpose. And we won't stop here. We have a long way to go. We have a long way to go. And better days are coming. Better days are coming. Because we need that leadership, and the leadership is already here. And we're going to look for people who know that they are going to people who understand the responsibility as a people. Who understand the responsibility as a people. Because it's not what Hopkins can give us, it's what we can give to Hopkins. And our children will understand that. Because our children are the future of Hopkins. We don't want Hopkins to fall into other people's hands. We want Hopkins to fall. We want the people of Hopkins to control Hopkins, to rule Hopkins. Because that is what our forefathers want us to do. Okay? And I won't go longer because we have a long program of it. Wow. So my people, I welcome you to see what is taking place, and I hope you enjoy yourself, okay? God bless.
Say nuevo, esta Miranda, aka Tango. Everybody know him as Tango. Thank you for that welcome address. Say me nuevo. Aha, wagumesera farile. Pero, no vaya wagumesero, once na when you lo hago, adigo gilele. Aha, wagumesera atigo yole. Lo. Lu habi wuya ha ichiga fe won katen lagu yole. Pelo bage wagumesero una fe hun kabala anua da won guyole. Before we begin, let me give you who will be our judges for tonight. On my left, we have Miss Kenima Martinez. Let's give her a big round of applause. She has been Miss Hopkins before, so she knows this thing good. Then we have with us Mr. Edwin Martinez. We have with us our very own teacher, Mrs. Stephanie Castillo. Has been national judge before. And also Miss Sharon Alberto, who has been Miss Hopkins before. So we trust that we will have a great choice tonight because we have great judges. Ada? Aha. Kasumu ya haya mea kabina hati. Humaya before. Gere muhadi. Pero lege awe gabina hage ta mai huma ila busa to lu hini la bina lu ba lu ha fear leader. All right, now go allow me lu le awe bina on lu ba hage wa gumese. But I'm sure Mr. Martinez will do a wonderful job tonight. And our candidate tonight, ladies and gentlemen, haluwe. Hafai hawama guyon le, afa lu hagayo ni wababa le, lu hageba la ruwaite, Hopkins lo irumule. Fumi etu, Yannick Nunes, pome wa opto. Adiama, mama gole baby, awo uba, mafuda wa. I love that. Habima Lishan Ramos. Pome wa opto Lishan Ramos. Pome wa opto Devin Casimiro. Come away, Kyla Williams. So we are same way home. Hichagu hongwa. Lugabela leader bela fari ele guyole. Same again ho hagubru. Lo hichagu higune Hassanigu. Lugabela leader hama fari ele guyole. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for the non-Garifuna speakers. I'll be in and out, but I'll be mostly Garifuna tonight. But I'll try to translate when I can into English. Alright? But Guyole, Garifuna Manayanoa, Lida Fariele. So, I have a Donobria, what was some, Shame lo Toots, lo Bert. I have to leave a piece about the Remedios, lo way, George. Same way, guys. Amatiwa, Gayusa Lege Obole, Pomegawa home, ladies and gentlemen. So, Waguma Sarah, Guyole, Lunago Hago, Uyaha, Luhichugu Fair, Wong, Hogo. Alright? So, we will begin tonight with the introduction of the candidates coming up on the stage with a so, from here to Wagwa Toago, Yannick Nunes.
Nugele yani Nunes nirbe Kaisi iromono and do hayo le first la chilo wa fedo lo wa fedo ha lo Kaisi aba Garifuna no do hayo lo talala hawagodo lo wa chigisago no do hayo lo le nigera no do hayo sereme ni ho.
That's Yannick. Nunes, 15 years old, and she said she's ready to shake
Garinago, Hagaya. Garinago, Hagaya. Chuli a young tear down again the doheno. Low war of the Guango, K Garinago. Aba Rasa Ricity. Mabosi Garida Wamati alone the doheno. Nogeti, Pantatina low Garifuna. Agamba Banayon. La Gibeda de Murray Numa. Lishan Ramos Niribe. This is Sisi Irumono. Where Sisi Lida and for Hati. Maria Humati and Nidoheno. La Daga Harabetia Kateya Buyonle. Nidoheno, Sereme
Alright, that's Lishan Ramos, 16 years old. Right, she says, don't go to sleep tonight because this contest is going to be really hot. And you can see that from the beginning.
Casimiro, Niribe. This is said Irumu no. Leader Buga Irumu, Bia Mil said when God will lead in Neru, Nagri Ho. Titon Casimiro, Toma Elvira Casimiro, Hiribe, Nagri Bugu. Anahaya, Goyongle, Lo Aba Ugundan, Ladaga, Chili Halita, Luna Chanudu, Musurongiano Hama. Ne don't him Garifuna. Ne don't you say remain.
Let's give her a round of applause. Oh my wobble. Logo to the Casimiro, 17 years old. He was born 24th of January 2007. Born to her parents, Ethan. Williams, ladies and gentlemen.
Gewene dinaru nagata, tareru no serigie, sarabatieno. Gibeti dasi wawago, gewene dinaru nagata, tareru no serigie, sarabatieno. Gibeti dasi wawago, ni doheyo na gubegu no madago. Masa tinaru naguto, hidarugo banasa lo dasile. Damele na garago wa gumuchuni yano ye. Uya na fe hu nuogo. Kyla Williams Niribe. Wayo Shelua Martinez Luma Fino Calbert Williams na Gubaya. Katie Urumono. Ecumenical in la escuela bo. Marumo go humatia. Yi betiano Luma barasego wawag. Nidu hayo ceremony ho.
Yeah, let's give it another round of applause. Man, let's retire out. Yay.
All right, Kyla Williams, 15 years old.
Mama Tifiki Takirogo.
Mahame Kateya. Aha, Wabora Togo. Uruwe.
Kyla Williams got it to her. The son is the Lord. The Mopino Calvert Williams. Can you see the little go? Then the next one, I think I can medical.
Aha, away are
Maybe that's a second. That's a second.
Sasa ya programa zoya.
Alright.
Amu nei ya amu. Luwe la sucede. So,
We might know the way.
we ma lo luwe yes. So, away ya uya ha go lo aba gunje. Ame hare lo aba chumbo. So, ladies and gentlemen, tonight the judges will be judging various dances. They will be judged on the introduction, on the individual item, on the chumba dance, combination dance, paranda dance, question and answer segment, and they will also be judged on their gunjai dancing. So that will be basically what they will be judged on for tonight. And also their points and grades, I guess how well they deliver themselves tonight as a Garifuna style, because all of them are 15, 16, and 17 years old. And so long as they hear how we are going on it. So how we are high go low aba gunjay, like me hare low ha chumbo.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the ladies, the queen, the candidates will be coming on stage with a good day, and then followed by a tumba.
So tawanya ya high go wagwa tago, abe aprumeto yani Nunes.
By the way, gunjay and then a tumba. And tumba is a dance in which the dancer portrays action, normal or abnormal from everyday life. Gunjay is a square dance, type Garifuna dance, done by several couples.
Wagwa tago habiema Lishan Ramos.
Let's go! Umo de bagari, lito ng leno.
Wagwa tago Warua, Devin Casimiro. Okay. Tonight, we want to acknowledge our sponsors, those who contribute to the prizes and the sponsorship of these candidates. So you say me home. There have been la suicide do Fariele. To say me to Fidelia Martinez and Sale, to Marie Martinez, Miss Loretta, home me wa home gigi Haman. To wayo Mrs. Elida Martinez Elda, Senor Boanti. To wayo Mrs. Ann Martinez, Miss Ann, home me wa home too. These guys were the sponsors of the candidates. They each sponsor a candidate for tonight. I hope the candidate, the sponsor, win tonight. So everybody will win. For the prizes tonight, laptops donated by Mrs. Bernadette Griggs. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Yes.
Bicycles, a team from USA. Let's give them a big round of applause.
USA donating bicycle.
$500 by Yolene Rodriguez. $300 Pablo Lambe Foundation.
Pablo Lambe Foundation.
Scholarship sponsored by Coconut Row.
Honorable
Radwell Ferguson.
Radwell Ferguson, Minister of Rural Transport and whatever.
Ella School Spot. Hamanasi Resort. And the Barracuda Bar and Grill.
Yamura Bar and Grill.
So, how there we go. First prize will be walking away tonight, Mr. New.
Yes.
A laptop.
First prize.
$500. A 3-course meal for two at the Barracuda Bar and Grill. Second place will walk away with a laptop. $300 and a bicycle. Third place will walk away with a laptop, $200 and a bicycle. Fourth place will walk away with a laptop, $100 to have a bicycle. I get the army then. These are great prizes. Yes, man. And I am told to say that more prizes are coming, but we are waiting for approval. So we won't talk about that yet until we get approval that they will be donated.
All right.
So these 4 ladies will be walking away with some wonderful prizes tonight. Let's give them another big round of applause for being courageous to be here tonight.
Dito ko baya bi ano ada habaya.
Well, wahad na wate wana bahiri le wangu masopeo. Anu ada tia? Ida ko bansa.
No abude edi ke nasubude.
Eddie. Weyo Kenima Martinez.
Dr.
Weyo Tiffany Castillo. Weyo Sharon Alberto. Luma Abba hada biniwati hada unya Edwin Martinez. So hageba eya he unya hawo le do. Hichugu fe okabala tuma lube tagaye ogunole. Neiba sanse ulu aba uyula na neiba wa bikana masai sut na busena sai.
Sute.
And the tabulator.
Yeah, sute ano da tu. Abina hamete ya.
Ala na luga edi labina ha.
No me ba me.
Mangwengi.
Usenda na hili. Nageni liumudi.
Tabulator so tonight will be Mr. Hilton Rodriguez and Miss Perla Martinez. Hilton Martinez sa neighbor abu.
Hilton.
Masa Hilton Martinez ne way lot of Hilton Martinez ya. Hilton Rodriguez. Okay, good. Mamne Martinez to get body.
Abuse to get wish go bulu Fritz. Na ula kumushu na bachelor's to go. Wo maba wo.
No, Rodriguez.
Not a student book here. MC.
All right. So tell me why you Mama. Need a top program, but science you got the individual item.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're going to talk outgoing candidate. Sorry, queen, not candidate. Tome a guy about leader irem less really boy. Irumu tia, irumu. Ay, Garifuna tia. Very tia. So we're going to talk Uruwe. Leader irumu, bia Milo, biama Uru. Wayne Uru. Good.
We get a cool man, but I'm
So we'll call onto the stage on the outgoing queen, Miss Kyla Nunes. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Buiti guyong ni duhayo.
Mama obi do. Temelo nam lelo. Dara mama.
Buiti guyong ni duhayo. Webo mabrigo nanogo sogobe. Nokiale Kyla Nunes Nirbe. Ruwe ti
tia Hopkins Garifuna. Lo iromole sugu halibe. Anahaya goyongle. Lune dere gulube wababale. To aba hadage hiario ha. Tolubo tagari ni fariengle goyongle. Hesebe ginenebe. Agadahe wababale. Pero chulu halida lune deren luniwo. Niduhayo se remenya.
Alright. I knew this.
Sema wanya bukaila lubaki da ni wababa wale da. Irumu da sigo hadi boy. Hello lady da. Evin hagidi mgeti. Ara gidi man. Next to the back on them sugu shuru.
Yeah, man. Mama mau shooting, man. Bidding farewell, outgoing Queen 2023, 2024. Lighting the stage with a sponsor. Let's give her a round of applause. Nana yumule sigali boy. Dida ta. No ba da ba muto anya hato. No ba mu ganya hato. Awati te ni tu besna lo tanya haila. Mogum gil tanya ha chilo e besin. Uba ge bia ere ba no la daga uba gil sai su goele. Hi lo rabawe ligia ligete abi to do e bonus na sai su to besin to e habani ere ba. To ba uba la do e ere. Ấy của thằng thì tôi ai à bố bà ta chịu vậy, đúng không? Ube bà karu của nó, cái số ghi lệ để xây số lệ money hạt chết, ai nó mà ube nó, đó số ghi cái bà này để tên đi chơi đi, bra, số ghi lệ mà hết bao phải. Mata kau main jalan itu ni. Ane me kata. Apa tiada uri mereka gaya. Tuma tiada, tuma. Mereka kita abi benda tiada dia ni. Mereka. Apa tiada uri to tasali ala to tuma. Toti America na, toti balis na, tago bohe, tago abadi te nasali ya buboy, abadi te no balis na muna ta, ati biya America na bahasali. Deleti agri budu muta iya hong, wito master de boga, abadi te ko tashiluti, abadi tago ha, aho wago, well sister. I want to boto madam. She not here. I ain't got that. Little sister, she not here. Hey, me do yo. La name huh? Yeah.
All right. Tinaro te mama tien.
Yeah, mama get tien.
Tinaro.
Yeah.
Correct it, Tengu. She correct.
Binaro.
All right, we'll do a raffle at this moment. We'll have a raffle. Pick up. We'll be raffling in the meantime.
Alright, what do you have there?
So, if you got a ticket,
I know the wallet at home.
so just the numbers, right? So take out your ticket.
Bomo wallet to ya.
53 60
Seguro sisi
7
cedo
8
vido.
Any winner? 5360788.
Raffle.
Who is the winner? Let me see. Bring the ticket.
Ganhe. Igabiage.
All right, we have a winner, and the winner has a prize for tonight.
What was the numbers again?
5360788.
Yep.
Good. All right, we have a lucky winner tonight.
Yeah. Ati bi what be to
Grizel. So Grizel, that's your prize, right?
Turn around, take a picture of somebody.
7.
Come on to Grizel now, man. I get to end this DYFA Garifuna though.
It's 7. I think that Brazil.
Yep. All right, so we'll continue with the pageant tonight, ladies and gentlemen, with the contestants coming back to do their individual item,
Yes.
their main item.
Around say son.
Around say,
I got nada yata abaya.
Kalibole Amalige Buga, she's
She not here,
she not here.
but they are here.
So we are here.
I want to meet the manager to Northern Co-op Balis. Super blue string. I want to lead you both all the family. About la dog ham euro enduran. About Gagat Megero. About Gaga Laba Garifuna Lumachumag. I want to level. We need a job man. I said, well, economy office money man in the Antiosha. About level leg with you. Hold you 38. How long did I believe then? 8. Now 8 years. So how you end up the Belize? By boat? And you have about the next be a so about level le chumag so how long will I Belize? 38. So how old you then? 8. I will go shallow. Me brother, how you take me? Boat. Then, I never go to Kate. Fede bata bina, fede bata muso nasio. No get aba, no taba. Oh, I have to. Abang ko say tifu. Mama judge yung wait and mano ada. Wala mama contestant. Yeah. 38 vote man. No dia ba wayo mutu. Aba tengo tu tibari na rei dalite sensule luba lidere da. I'm going to save this money for hard times. Aba lasa gaba mutu ligeti labe ida le lacharu lidere da. Kaiti tu la tibari tenge terida la sente luba lidere da lasa graba te lidere da yenge. Hey lidere da ani asa stiki unaguti aboba. Hello. Oh, Gasen's so leader. Yeah, let her leave. The man got the money. Because his name was leader. Hard time. My goodness. So, Mark the Lord earlier. No make that catch you know. No get up. About the limits. The lady shall for good year. She went to church and father was giving communion. And the lady tea the lutabino for good year to about table. Was so de la habu sugar grigia. De la avoid the womb and he laba dumuri ham. Pero mom, we but it too ligidis.
Ain't boy.
No. Sian.
Agora vamos aí.
Abati leo fadi tu. Buda bom, furu bom, hobo.
Buda tu muti.
Oh, Buda tu ke? Lagi tawa wani lagi begitu ni.
Must you know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, more sponsors for tonight. Thank you, Mr. New, for entertaining them while I'm getting some new information tonight.
Yeah.
So our additional sponsors for tonight, I got to let you know these. For the bikes, we have the friends from USA, are Stephen May and May Eligio, Mary Mark, Zell Ramos, Jessica Taylor, Shandy Cacho, Myrick Cacho, and Larel Cacho. So let's give them another round of applause.
Yes,
And also contributing to the prizes are Vita Ramirez, Conrad Papa Lewis. So most of you had there have been
Papa Conrad.
Oh, we will tell them home. All right, so we'll continue with the individual item. So they'll come up to do the individual item, and we'll call on contestant number 1, Yannick Nunes, who will be coming up on the stage with a combination dance.
No doheyo Wabagari mehale dada. De wasaro benafi wagorba hawago wabesna golowe hida hayala. No doheyo laigi elira la fragu wa watu wagorba hawago wabesna golo haya begin asra halago aba watu. No doheyo lida mehada de tasra hawabesna go kieki Taya begin asra halago aba watu. No duhenyo kasa mege be ule wama Wabagari meha. No duhenyo lo le nigera sereme nyeho.
All right, Yannick, you got it.
Prepare meals together, and they will bake on one baking pot. So she said, things have changed, and what will happen now? What is happening now?
All right, we're going to talk about here, man. Mr. Ramos coming up with the veranda to do an individual item.
soul shine. Oh yes. Oh yes. Hago bate na mulelo, hago bate. Esa. Nada.
No go chile, haliandibo, no go chile, baba, haliandibo, luya wayo, na grababo, yalifo, robe barona nu, yodona mogaye, yalifo, Rube barona nu yodona moga. Ure muma anahaya asamina hawagu isani guha magu chibaya. Laduga hadise do hagu chihawe. Nilo na dise do namo. Anaha keisi saragu maguchi. Lu halikate le asuseredo. Pero gibetien uguchili laramatien hon ha familia. Astadale uwahama munado. Pawa me wahabu hon ichige ayumroni hon luagule hadugabe. Nugeti figia bunuguchu mamaya. La farar passion la duga nuguchile giribe maraswa. La duna liri, la duga maraswa luguti. Oh, Ferudo weti de murele no keisi aba irahu. Pero hella ligie de mure richabe. Aba nege la ringo tu nugu chule bukala America. Chulutitia. Ona haligia mensaje tu nugu chu. Agamba humesa.
Madire batia, no family afrumi. Marble go home a mule. We the way down home, Larry. He said, no talk soon and maybe. And no made it this year, no. Casey Bundani, then Nabibe, Dale La Dara Waba Furu Binafi, horrible hole, the barrow. Ayo, Tavernanis.
Okay.
He según nuguchu makambo harubuga lumage daga lumo dale. Sagu tagambuni liremo Adrian de Doc Martinez teahuaha. Laduga tiawa dina liru. Agamba humesa. Garati gien hemo hanuma. Hero ma. Hero tiawa gucho. Giribo ba. Kunda tamu gutani ge. Hero ma. Hero tiawa gucho. Giribo ba. Kunda tamu gutani ge. Paringa tu. La bebu gala. Awadigi meida. Ugadiri haniwa. Ababaluda guni papi. Subuda we rumu. Magambo gidiwa. Hero ma. Hero tiawa gucho. Giribo ba. Kunda tamu gutani ge. Hero Dear Baba, Honda Tabago Tani Day. Niduhayo ceremony.
Hey! Let's give her another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Hey! Nishan Ramirez, her father of Nishan Ramos, Mama her father was there for them, and they applaud our fathers for being a father to their families. But her mother suffered stress by her dad. Now there you have to loudness for giving me, excuse me for the language that I am using, but it is right to say, tell mom I am going to the States. And we did a reading, a ceremony. We sent a ceremony. Yeah, we did a sermon. And I gave a sermon there. My grandma will make a young heard anything since. We didn't like the tax martinez.
Let me summarize it.
Right.
That's it.
Hiruba.
Baba Tanuruma, David Casemiro, Yo Aba Baran.
David Casemiro coming up to give an individual item which carries, I think, most of the weight along with the question. Record scratch.
Chanuago. Italy Harry Honua Ugunye. Gaston Nadaha, Laduga, Ligia, Wichigube, Case, Garinago. Masa Bulei Hama, Maduga Hame. Ni Duhayu, Anihati Ada, Garenga de Tina, Case overlay. Agamba no mega guraso, Tiasulu, Wargood, Abba Yan. Laduga, Case, Abba, no going to Garifuna, Betty Parasego, Nida. Uguye, a fed woman, Wagucha, Laduga Buga, make Roguda Hama, where you know go home. Laduga, where Luma, or pant. I read to go Hamutisa Hasigu, where you know go Lobo Baliso. Agamba tiwa luwago ida long salira mi giwa hamuti bugale hanibe hageragi aba here below it herewu luma garifuna duwo huma masabule hama madugo hama bule gwalira also wamutulu wasigiru lo widi wabon case abarasele terebubuti kei wawasi one duhayu busetina namuye ha aba foles werity uma fine hamele anichiku wam ladiga use wati subudigwa wamamuga bongo charon wagiyame haliyon badibula Tugu wame wawudi lo ere inebe wagiyame raram wagiyele lo marichiti ladiga ayarfa pot l'ultima la fare wagwa gudadi afed wame wagucha afanye wahamen wanichiku ni Bagari Garifuna hada iseri isanigo bungi waba wagi larigi ni dohe low samino le nidi sermon.
Hoy Samino le Antoine Casimiro. Alego na o tapu e kala be o.
Uma wobla, logo. Tudo David Casimiro.
Mandigo alamo que acabo.
Ama tem puxa lá que tu au. Ida mi asa. Amore da momento Garifuna go. Adume o ma. Na gabura ku wogene. Ana barase go. Dumale sikuli go ya ba ni so. Amore da o ma Garifuna go. Amore da o ma no were. Amore ago mucho. Love wanichu. I beg you for a culture to know where you are going with strength. Stand up for sharing. You can follow with this mind and with this thinking. Serving you that.
All right, Robert, Agadero, Tyler Williams, to have your fire, and one of you, they don't have a parade.
Carla Willis.
Ne doheyo cable na remo ha home gen wene de no moto ti anaguto mama to wende mama to magade memege weriti maguna ne twa so bose ti sa hu kala wegya maguna nile la duga Kayla remo ha Lloyd Augustine weriti fade le wawago be Kasa lebuna be warumu giesa me bere senisa odi wa magu waligu uguyetia amiego le uwagu be le remho ande palacio mama haruga mama liteme bulia wa masa agamba hamesa Aruma hanuma, yeah. brigo, no madago. Wa fei de ralista wa lagate. Owa maduga wa me. Ni bagari wa me garifuna duo. Lida ba wa bagari duni garifuna duo. Wa fedu he wagucho. Lida ba wa bagari duni garifuna duo. Wa farin he wa nichigo. Ni duhe yo sereme ni eho.
I don't want to be a judge tonight. I leave it up to you people. I don't want to be a judge tonight.
My cousins, my people, as I've sung earlier, neighbors dressed, but they are not happy. Last many things, like what Lloyd Sang said, but we are lazy, and the Palacio Kaba Funa Lumage Andy P. Kabala Eremu Wong. I was supposed to do English, right? Oh my God, I got carried away. Alright. So you were saying, cousins, after I have sung earlier, neighbors are well dressed, but many are not happy. They are losing many things, like what Lloyd's songs have said, that we are lazy and the like. And Andy Palacio, Kaba Funa, Agana again. What with Andy Palacio? Who will bake cassava with us? Who will talk Garifuna with us? Who will go to the temple to Adibraha with us? Before we lose it, we will last our legacy, no doubt. Not do it, live Garifuna do it. In living it, we are sharing the culture. Let's give her a round of applause. Oh, you that again, right?
Dinner. Ali him.
Well, ya te namule, ah? Ni amete ni fista bilaga bata. Nagara wine, we.
I look at the one again, so I do so way. Again, have something. Hachago, Hatula. I hear the youth group selling tamales, and we have juice and chips and dips on sale. Reminding you about our sponsors, and we're having a raffle in a few.
What do you hear?
Alright, so let's do the raffle. Can somebody pick out? Then I put that on.
No. You get duru way of like the ocean. Mabudu baby am.
Alright.
That's how I will feel.
Take out your tickets. And the number is 5360811. 5380611. Any lucky winner? Going once. Going twice. 5360811. What got somebody that me? Come get it if that you.
I got to. Diego Bate, I magade. Diego Bay magade boy.
5360811. All right, you are the lucky winner. Da. Come for your prize.
Yeah, me basically too. You may I'm going to be to be we but. Oh, boy, thank you. ni passe ke. Aha, di na dan.
So, Same how hard the home candidates are. Same to Fidelia Martinez, Marie Martinez, Mrs. Elida Martinez, Mrs. Ann Martinez. Luante Martinez. Kasa Hahobe Martinez.
36.
For the prizes tonight, we have laptop donated by Bernadette Griggs, Conrad Papa Lewis, and somebody else. Bicycles, $500 with Yolene Rodriguez. $300 Pablo Lambe Foundation. Scholarship by Coconut Row. Honorable Radwell Ferguson.
Minister Radwell Ferguson.
Ella School Spot.
One of the best.
Amanasi Resort. Barracuda Bar and Grill.
Yeah, Yamura Bar and Grill.
Listen, maybe no, Mama lay a gag.
Hey, madame ba ang news na
Vita Ramirez. We have Steven and May Eligio, Mary Mark, Zel Ramos, Jessica Taylor, Sandy Cacho, Myrick Cacho, and Laurel Cacho. All right, those are the people who contributed so far to the prizes and the sponsorship of the candidate. Well, how are you? We have a combination. I mean, how do you Lama honorable, like me, I'm a Harerulo Aba Parand.
How do you spell the word menu? They be the restaurant to go about menu. You know the spell of menu? Come on. MENU. About the lady about who is told Ladari. Hey, about the Ega Tidaba restaurant, Fritz. Hey, about the Taba restaurant. They let it tabby menu. Who said to really a fine long lady. About the table we told you know. Every color talk about menu to men you. About level you know. Most of I have yago boy. Me and you.
Mama Lian.
Me and you.
Yes, I know I pay the bill new one. My family will not go. It's a menu, me and you.
Right.
All right. First place will be walking away with a laptop tonight, $500. A 3-course meal for 2 at the Barracuda Bar and the Grill. Second place winner will walk away with a laptop, $300, a bicycle. And a bicycle. Third place will walk away with a laptop, $200, and a bicycle. And the fourth place will walk away with a laptop, $100, and a bicycle. And reminding you that on the 19th, when these prizes will be distributed, more prizes will be given. They're just waiting for approvals. All right? So these are the prizes for tonight so far. So more prizes will be added as time goes by. All right? So probably that 500 might reach 1,000. The 300 might reach 5. The 2 or 3. And the one another 1. 2, right? So let's see.
Jolie, we said that this should go one time going only. You don't make nothing away. Hey, I can't know.
Kati Bibari?
Jolie.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they may win you.
Yeah, but then listen to eh
All right, remember, every Sunday is Culture Sunday. So look out for Culture Sundays in the community. I think last Sunday was at the Made Park. So this coming Sunday will be at the basketball court. So please look out for Culture Sundays. And remember, this will be the venue for... Alright, this will be the venue also for the Black Party on November 17th. This is a paid political announcement, right?
Party.
It's 17th of November, ladies and gentlemen, 9 o'clock to 5 in the morning, Boularuga with La Sopa.
Oh.
You know La Sopa, right? Remember La Sopa?
Not a buffalo.
If I were
That's a paid political announcement.
Alright. So don't forget, November 19th Black Party, right here at Garifuna. Tribute, 13th of November. Tribute to the Garifuna
Legends.
right? Yes. At 3 p.m.
Starting from
Marde Park to the cemetery and then come back for drumming. Good.
About the fair to.
One more program we have now.
Le worry boy. About the fair to le worry boy.
All right. So Culture Day on the 15th also, right here, right? Yes, and you can come and see everything that the Garifuna people, baking, everything, cooking.
Yeah, you
You can eat because once the ladies said they were doing something, la sucedo.
Yeah, those
you have on the 15th whole day. Oh, namu.
Dynamic people, man.
Yeah. Semi-Wire NGC Hopkins branch. Let's acknowledge them, ladies and gentlemen, for preparing us for 19th of November celebration in Hopkins City. All right, another correction, Mr. New. They will not leave with the paranda. Instead of the paranda, they will be leaving with punta.
Then I have a we have low the Mama low
combination.
Low about Gawagwat. Low punta. So
they're coming up with a combination dance. They will answer the question and then they will depart with the punta dance.
Yes,
all right, let's get ready. Hearing on contestant number 1, Wayo Yannick Nunes.
Nunes on the stage with a combination. This portion is for questioning, right? Nito ko laude tayo ba tayo. Fifth piano. Ada ko five. Ina, madi ba ito no namle no to man. No. Machura haba na to ni
5 out of 5 is.
They make too many calls.
No, 5 out of 5 is 100%.
Yeah, 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5, 100. All right, while the one we are leader English, bien away castle. I'm a honorable leader Garifuna. So we'll ask them questions in English and they will respond in Garifuna. So please help me with translating their answers, Mr. New, in English. So now go to go fumeto Yannick lo tono bonita question.
Gwele halu kudogua ameti hauna bon halu kudogua lida megero udala inglesi ame hauna bon lida Garifuna.
Ah yeah. Tafu dia.
Yeah, moske tafu do. Tadu ite nigi yao sadin utwe yao. Meu Laura Pedro na ko.
Nada, vai tadu helo ita nigi.
Nigi nada.
Eu não vou mais do la tono bo.
Sadin utwe.
Wanigi otungo. Alright, Yannick. What is the theme for this year's November celebration? What is the theme for this year's November celebration?
No dohayo afedo hawame wagocha afanya hawame wanichigo. No dohayo ceremony ho.
All right. This guy, she was asked, what's this year's theme? She responded, celebrating our roots, sharing our culture. Let's give her another round of applause.
Rishan Ramos. Want to feed him? Karago bay among you feed him. Ay. Abu do gay no guni. Garifuna de la Budu about question da.
Ah, eu não vou dar. Or, dá English aí.
Yeah, which got language.
English. Aí lago ba.
Aha! Lishan, why is it significant that fathers get close to their children? Why is it significant that fathers get close to their children?
Sereme luago balo dugaha.
That's okay. Go ahead. Take your time.
What will be done da?
Kebuga narengo ni home.
Você bidi logo do greve lele greve tita. Lo que mo nam lele. Que mo nam lele. Ada sumo wage grege wage ya.
Finish it, my girl.
Que mo.
Want a little break? All right, let her come back. Then she
Comece.
come get some water.
Alright, você não é duna. Lá tá mais sobre lá tu usa, é coisa tu usa.
Awa to gushi bai.
A vida que liri, não? Mesmo tu não vai calar liri. Boa. Uraga-san. Ok. Hane me tu lele. Gada hate tu usa, mesmo tá. Acaba essa gamba ni recording né?
Why was it significant?
Mara swallow Mara, yo Mara swallow Mara.
No, most Maro la because Mara here.
Oh, Maro.
Maro here.
All right. So Mara swallow to Maro.
Yeah.
Agora já tá aí, eu vou agora muito labo, lago tu. Yeah, be meta, itaga.
Bra.
Why he remind me of me?
Bra.
All right, let's move on before. I'll go how? You can't get back to her. You got Devin.
You need sugar back. I take it. Maybe never now I was me. Now who must pay me later? I come on.
Devin, what advice would you give the Garifuna population about lamenting the past suffering of their ancestors up to this date? What advice would you give the Garifuna population about lamenting the past suffering of their ancestors up to this date? What will be done?
Ne dohanyo arita go hamuti sa hasigu wena go lobo go bali so ida redela ayahona mabule dagwa wagiyame luwe also ramote wasigu luwidi wabron case abarasele terebugut ne dohanyo sereme.
We know what the Garifuna what go for that on it. Ain't gonna be no other thing.
Devin namole lwa. Magesa haratibu.
Break it to syllables.
Abalalu talu tu no kabalama kabama
Concept.
conseil tishu go on garino go anya hebe agide mera agime dera lawo ka sufuru gege ya bali so staga do mo dane arito go tu wito la sufuri le bali so le siguru le abala wauso ni medere bubu luma were lo wagido wabule luma bule do mani halege la wasibu seme ni uyo mabe to
Kyla Williams. Kasa uda wewe babina Garifuna. Odi mabina hati. Babina hati sa.
gachi gato ito man
Gatu gata yes. Surprise nunta go onle. Nega mega ta Garifuna because magam nagi.
Ah.
But later yan haguyon le well.
Liga yan ho we muna da bro.
They do mapsena na nuwa da haguyon le because where it ya? Kaila. Answer Ibo. Okay. What advice would you give your fellow youths to ensure participation in preserving our culture? What advice would you give your fellow youths to ensure participation in preserving our culture? Take your time.
Ni duheyo na renga hamoga hon irahio niledi lo Wabagari doni Garifuna duo. Adumra hawa me werero. Hawa me wegi. Abina hawa me wabina ha. Ni duheyo ceremony ho.
Ceremony bo Kaila. Katen wenge misaniyo?
We dele balo go no kabla consult issue ho. Nebure again tiladi. Ida lo lari da honwa Garifuna duo. Abatego bala ho irang ha. Lo haliburu ni Garifuna duo. Luge hayan honi abina ha abina hi abina hani adume hame abina hamani.
I know how many here, right?
Right.
All right. Tonight with ya?
Tonight again.
Yeah.
Oh, English mas.
Yeah.
Why? Boleh. What we saw mana ni? Kagak saya mega berhari ni kita yang kaya Kaya may Mr. Kailes kalo. Anyway, he said her konsel na ba tissue ni? Dune tengo now ini
English better bang.
Oh, ani boleh command esa ko mana ni? Her advice to the young people in participation to ensure the participation of possibly preserving the culture. She says you tell the children to be upheld with the Garifuna duel, talk and dance the dance. Say me.
All right. Speak the language and dance Garifuna, eat your food and everything
Right.
Garifuna do.
Yes, sir.
All right. Lishan Ramos, sago. Why you want to talk Lishan, no? I got her nervous, I know, you know. I got her nervous.
Haya ito, haya.
Mom dale buleta na, I got her nervous. Take your time.
Yeah.
Do you want me to ask you again? Okay.
Yeah. Gaya batwage tumagre mo.
Nega tula gave na so maybe buga bala English. Kali suni bay. Hayafadu uguchili hon Hassani. Kali suni bay hayafadu uguchili hon Hassani.
Sereme luago balogo daha. Gasto hayarafu uguchili hon Hassanigu. Laduga mege wamutia. Laduga mege wamutia uguchili hon ha familia. Niduheyo ceremony.
All right, why is it significant for fathers to get close to their children? He said, thanks for asking. Like I said, we need our fathers.
Yes, Tenaro.
To be a part of the family.
Fathers to be a part of the family structure.
Let's give her a round of applause.
All right. Harera timuya low aba punta. So the candidates will now
they are like with a punta
dance. Yeah.
dance.
Then what?
at its best.
All right. We're waiting for the judge's decision. So we're going into some raffles, 2 raffles at the same time. So those at the raffle, please bring the raffle. So we can do the raffle now. Again, we're moving on with the raffle, and then after we'll have the judge's decision.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to be there today. I don't want to be a judge tonight. Remember, it's the judge's decision, not those who make the most noise. So we don't have a noise. Let's go, Mr. New. Select the prize. You have something nice here. Which the bataba ticket no unfair. Judges, maybe take a ticket in there. Oh man. So we are not in the raffle. Nika, you some maybe take tickets. Oh my goodness.
Kau tak tidak lagi. Minggu bagi lu kau tak tidak lagi. Apa? Kamu tiap apa yo ya? Apa tidak lagi? Ah. Oh, biar yo saya. Sele. Lalu gua.
Oh, sorry. All right, our lucky winner tonight goes to whoever holds the number 536088. Shout on the last number, make us see for the window. 5, yes. Who got that? 5360885. Who is that lucky winner? Let me go again. 5360885. Going once. Take on the time. Going twice. Oh, yeah, it's a Halihan in her number. Yeah. Oh, why? 885 is the last 3 numbers. 5360885. Going once. We have a winner. The lone lady is the win tonight too. All right, 5360885. All right, won by Dolores.
Oh my God,
All right. All right, our last raffle, our final raffle. All you guys are, you guys see 3 and 4 here, you know? Oh, okay. We're raffling the drummer.
Yeah.
You think anybody a winner? I don't know. I can't raffle you, why? Because first, second, and third are lone ladies, you know. If we raffle you, I don't know why I come for you here. Oh, first of all, I'm doing.
Hey, my people, I have a surprise, Fritz. I have a surprise. I have a
surprise.
yeah.
All right.
I have a 50,000, but you can win 20 times to give away. Oh, hey, you saw the ticket, right? It's a scratch. I'm going to give it away. This is the instruction. Please follow the instruction. If you not follow the instruction, the game crash. You can't get the ticket. You can't get the scratch. All right. But you cannot include the master of ceremonies in this.
Oh Lord.
Do you listen to the instructions? Do not include the master of ceremonies.
Which one?
In this master of ceremonies. Me and Fritz. You can't include us in this.
So you need to beg you.
That's the only way you can get this $50,000.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, wow. It's a scratch. The question is, are you ready for the question? I told you, do not include the master of ceremonies in this. If you do, a crash. When you come to Hopkins, we are targeting you with many animal names. Name 2.
Hey. Yeah, no.
No. Name some with an example. No, you are not. The judges are not in this. The judges cannot win.
Hey,
No matter two.
Somebody coming to answer that.
Name all the animals
That is too
that
easy.
are named. Do not include.
Do not include the master of ceremony.
Not only the masters of ceremony, got being the judges.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, beg one guy.
Hey, but we don't know. Hey, her name is Ma. Follow the instructions, okay? Yes.
Aya, nege babunu ya.
Example.
Oh. Raise your hand.
I will give you example. Sandy today. I nege mi do you. Gega tem ha gega tem mure. I nege wa do you.
Crash again. Crash again.
Give it to what me. So come. Katima nu e ni do ni.
Ida bai suaba subudu. Suaba subudu. Hey, kekaka. Gumugwa.
Me the mayor, master of ceremonies.
And the basset.
And either that the master of ceremonies, never meet the boy master of ceremonies.
Game crash. So Mabibo
will crash.
Mabibo.
The game crash. All right, the contestants will now come up. Oh, the judges have to give me the indication. Sorry, the tabulators need to give me the indication that they are ready. So, once I see right there, once I was doing one tour, we got off the bow.
If in the way, need about the route. About the route. No, let me say it in English. There was a prisoner. He went to prison. And his father is a farmer. He planted potatoes for a living. But when they went to the farm, to plow, the ground was so hard to turn over. So he wrote to his father, "Don't worry, Dad, I'm sending you a letter, and then you let the police read it." So when the father get the letter, he hand over to police. In that letter, Mali had to he can't read. So he took it to the police. He said, "What? Dad, don't worry. That is where, at the farm is where I buried the money that I stole."
Oh, Lord.
So you know what these guys did, police? Following day, then they take up the whole land. They look for money. They say, "Okay, Dad, that's as far as I can do for you from prison. Go ahead and plant your potatoes."
They're not going to the
Oh, hello. But don't try that.
Don't try that.
Don't try that.
Don't
try that.
Don't try that.
Especially our farmers.
Yeah. All right, the contestant will now come up with a paranda. Elaglo. With a paranda, and then we will do the announcement, serenade by Gloria, and then after the serenade, we will have the judges' decision.
Gloria Lambe. we come to the culmination, the final for this wonderful, awesome competition of contestants. Last of it, for the judges, announcement. Serenaded with a veranda. Oh yes, what a wonderful job there, Auntie Glow.
Gloria.
I think we buy a little glow.
All right, so Mabule the woman. First prize, you'll walk away tonight with a laptop, $500, and a 3-course meal for 2 at the Barracuda Bar and Grill. Second place, a laptop, $300, and a bicycle. Third place, a laptop, $200, and a bicycle. Fourth place, a laptop, $100, and a bicycle. Keep in mind, many more prizes before they are distributed on 19th of November.
Kasati baiki to namule tosa mama is bapedla.
So,
To get a hiti baiki ele.
to,
Mama's
Mama bapedla. Serutu.
Baba, ah?
Serutu.
I live a bit away.
Yeah, most one hang to get away.
Yeah.
We are told we are pedal on the.
Yeah.
We're big game we are make
They
it work.
take about Julie. I know him.
I know no to
Nice.
So to which we ceremony on our way to also sponsor these wonderful ladies tonight. Fidelia Martinez and Sil.
Yeah.
Mari Martinez, Miss Loretta, Mrs. Elida Martinez, and Hilda, Mrs. Ann Martinez, Miss Ann. For those who gave for the prizes. We have Miss Bernadette Griggs.
Pretty.
$500 from Yolene Rodriguez. $300 from Pablo Lambe Foundation. A scholarship from Coconut Row.
Right.
Honorable Radwell Ferguson. Ella School Spot. Hamanasi Resort.
Yes.
Barracuda Bar and Grill.
Yeah, more. What about you?
Those who contributed for the bicycles, we have Stephen and May Eligio, Miss Mary Mark, Zel Ramos, Jessica Taylor, Shandy, Myrick, and Laurel Cacho.
Okay. Yeah,
all from Chicago, huh?
Oh, yeah?
Wow.
All right.
Thank you, Chicago.
It's getting cold.
Big up Chicago. Give Chicago a big round of applause, man.
Hey, put on your sweaters, put on your jackets in Chicago.
We also have Vita Ramirez, Mr. Conrad, Papa Louis Jr.
Conrad, yes.
And we also want to thank Mr. and Mrs. Lara and Marin Cacho for the keep up of the place. So, Semi Wayaho, Suha, Aderhabe, Lugabe Lala Susedo, Farie.
Asa habe, I do the decoration then.
Now, Muhammad, I give me NGC Hopkins brand. Semi Wayaho Lago. Harassah, Luba, Wule. Oh, we will no good. Allo, Gabela, neither no. La Susedo La Farie, Lily Dada. Auluma, Mr. New.
Yeah.
I met a partner, Holy Angels.
Aye.
But Mr. Abe story. Mr. Abe story. Aye. But sang me did that.
Shoot the low.
Sang me did that. Let me walk for you. Me to argue you.
The other way you go.
Alright, good. We got a little bit next time.
Ninja.
Well, we have the judge's decision, ladies and gentlemen. Well, they're ready there, yeah?
Ready, yeah.
Bihangu we Ognagora. Aba Haga again, Hageva Habima, Aba Haga Hagefrumi. Abiama Hagia consolation prizes. I will only call two names, which would be the first and the second prizes. The others will be consolation prizes. So remember when Mr. New said, Mr. Sabal, Hadagela sang Tiabi. She was 5 out of 5. So she got 100%. Loma Leskela Latidi. Right? So there is no 5 over 5 here tonight. Everybody is a winner.
I'll go by Basa. If a baby born on Monday, she is called Monica. If a baby is born in the evening, she is called Evelyn. A baby born on the floor, Flora.
Oh, Flora.
What about the lady, a girl, a baby born in a car? Cara or Carmen?
Caroline, Abanu with a car going. Caroline.
I want to know, I'll go to what is on Tibari Nemes. I want to tell the Harauto. It's English. A grandmother took her granddaughter to the church. When they got there, the church was so quiet. So she asked her grandma, Mom, why is inside the church so quiet? Because many are sleeping. Because many are sleeping.
So he don't believe this.
How he don't believe this?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the judge's decision, Mr. New. Let me give it to you.
This guy was going to the store. to buy some stuff for his wife. When he got there, he didn't have the measurement. So there was a clerk there who volunteered because he had wanted a brassiere for his wife, but he don't have the size. So the cashier told him, well, you can check mine to see what size she will wear. He got the size, and next thing he said, but she need panties too.
Okay. Thanks.
So
Thanks to DYFA for bringing us live from Hopkins. Bravo, DYFA for bringing us live. All right, thank you. Really? Woo! This is not my favorite part, too, but I have to do it, too. Remember, I'm not the judge. I know that, yeah? I know the job is real hard tonight, because this is a close race. So let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
The police can now do the search in case you have stones or missiles.
All right.
Come send a little lady now. Co-host.
Ada? Namu. All right, I need Secret Service around.
Yeah, do the little Trump.
Yeah. All right. Second place, ladies and gentlemen.
That's the first runner-up.
The person.
What me Iweruya, what me that to do a la. Tele wagaba me like ele. Soon tele wagab. I think MC. I think judges. I think tabulators. Maparat nunu. Soon wagaba.
Name one Sarita.
Today what trainer.
Hey!
Mama le. So gar.
Second place goes to no other than Devin Casimiro.
Yes. Umayawabo was Abiyama Agayo.
I must tell you, it is a tight race. It was a tight race, ladies and gentlemen. But Miss Hopkins Garifuna 2024-2025 goes to Kyla. This is the end of our show. We have our winners, and all our winners tonight because of their great effort. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Umayawabo to Tyler Williams. Buidisa nyuma Danile. Buidwa. Hey, maitale harase again. Ayenta. Itale harase ni.
I don't need the Secret Service.
Aye, Mama say
Aye,
good at one.
Kyla, you about something more. Like back here.
Don't
Let me. Official ceremony is 19th of November. You gave Tako Numo.
Oh. Bogagel on Batengo. Boso. Egata something, bravo. Fred, let's stay with something.
Evening, everybody. Eat the rock ballet. Amigo.
Oi, bono good, huh? Good at you.
Good Natina. Nagaya.
Thank you, Kaya. That's the end of our show. So Me too, I got my people.
Ellos muchas los niños van a ver su gol de play. Ellos muchas niños van a ver su gol.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Sir, I'm so grateful how I go talk to people going to go on. Luabo 91.7 DYFA Garifuna radio station. Suwanda Garinago again. Aba Isen.
See you Friday, nah? Paris Hall for Miss Garifuna 2024.
Welcome, thank you. Sukate lidana.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. How you saying it? You go pack it.
But that's why I tell the people by be safe for the road, right? Yeah. But see you on Friday. That Paris Hall, Miss Garifuna Wabagari got loud.
Thank you for the English translation.
You come out the hot king. Bye, adios.
Ayo, no do hayo.
Yeah.